Hello, my name is Casey Crow, and I'm from the South Carolina State Library. This video is the Local System Administrators Training for the SCLINS Consortium, specifically in preparation for the migration to version 2.1 of the Evergreen ILS. I'll be covering some basics regarding the Evergreen ILS and support community, SCLINS specific topics including administration hierarchy, lists, and the help desk. I'll also be covering some network troubleshooting tools and techniques to help diagnose any connectivity problems with SCLINS or the internet in general. Lastly, I'll go over downloading and installing the Evergreen Staff Client from the Open ILS website. Let's get started. The Evergreen ILS was originally written for the Georgia Pines Consortium. At the time, there were no commercial systems available that could meet their needs, so the programmers on staff decided to write their own. In 2006, the Evergreen-powered Pines Consortium came online. Since then, the community of contributors to the code has grown, and new features are being added very quickly in comparison to most available software packages. You can get more information on their website at evergreen-ils.org. Documentation for the project can be found at evergreen-ils.org/documentation.php. Evergreen has many lists that you may subscribe to, but today we'll focus on the general mailing list. It can be found at evergreen-ils.org/listserv.php. Anything sent to this list is searchable from their website, and the topics are typically about general Evergreen information. Technical questions are best sent to one of the other more specific lists. This is a good place to hear about upcoming new features. Here's how to subscribe to the list. Open up your browser and go to the list page. Then click on the General link. This will skip you down the page to the general mailing list. Next, click on the Open ILS General link at the bottom of that section. This takes you to the general list page. Scroll down past the introduction to where it asks for your email address. Type in your email address and your name if you'd like, then a password. If you don't enter a password, one will be automatically generated for you and sent to your email address. You can always change this later. Once you've entered the appropriate information, click subscribe and you'll be added to the list. Now let's talk about SCLINS administration levels. We have 3 different tiers of administrative support: local, regional, and global. Each tier increases in technical skill and administrative responsibility. The local system administrators are the first line of support. They're responsible for configuring local settings such as hours of operation, receipt printers, and shelving or copy locations. They're responsible for upgrading all of their staff clients to the newest version when needed. This will be much easier soon, as Evergreen will soon support automatic updates to staff clients from the server. Local administrators will be able to run templated reports for their system. They will also troubleshoot all local network issues and submit help desk tickets when needed. The next tier of support are the regional system administrators. We've broken the state into 4 regions, and our goal is to have at least one administrator for each. A regional system administrator has the same permissions and responsibility as a local administrator, but they have additional training and responsibility as well. Regional administrators can edit circulation policies, hold policies, and create original reports. They can edit user permissions and are responsible for making changes to other systems than their own as needed. Every local system administrator should know who their regional admin is and how to get in touch with them. This brings us to the global administrators. Like the regional admins, the global admins have all the permissions and responsibilities of the lower tiers, but have more capabilities. Currently, there are 3 global admins: Rogan Hamby, Shasta Brewer, and Jennifer Finney. The global admins coordinate and manage the SCLINS help desk and may assign tickets to others to work on as needed. They handle server-level issues and administration, as well as oversee the other 2 tiers of support.